Hey guys, um, this is the I want to get a job meditation that I want to give to you guys. Something to practice before the interview. That way, the day the interview comes and you've got this meditation that you've been using, practicing, and ready to go. I'm not an expert in meditation by any means, but I do use meditation every day, especially before work. And it helps me to really relax, helps me to be able to focus, to be present, so that when I go to work, I can focus on my patients and I'm not dealing with all the stress and all the worries and things that come at you in everyday life. I can push those aside and just really be in the right frame of mind when I get to work. So, meditation really is like a muscle, something you really do need to practice and use, and you will get a little bit better at it. So if it feels a little weird first, that's okay. That's normal. So we're going to begin by just closing your eyes, taking a couple deep breaths, right? So close your eyes, put your hands in a nice neutral, relaxed position, and just take 3 great big deep breaths, right? So in through the nose, out through the mouth. And just feel your body relaxing and focusing on your breath. One more big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. I want you to focus as if there was some golden sunshine directly above your head. The sun or a bucket or just this giant liquid sunshine right above you, and it's just filling your body up, right? You can feel it as it enters your body and you feel relaxed, right? This golden sunshine, it starts filling up your toes and it starts to fill up your feet. And it just gets rid of worry and it pushes out all the stress and anxiety and just relaxes every muscle. As it moves up your calves, you can feel your calves just relax. They get heavy. And your legs, as they fill up your legs, you can feel your thighs just relax. And as that golden light fills up your abdomen, your chest, you can just feel it relaxing every muscle and every cell in your body. And as it goes up through your chest, it starts to fill up your arms. You feel your fingers, your hands, your arms just feel relaxed. As it fills back up to the top of your head, your entire body is now filled up with a golden light from above and just relaxes every cell in your body. And just focus on your breathing. I want you to picture in your mind driving to the interview. Get in your car. As you drive, you feel relaxed, you feel prepared. As you get to the interview, you pull in and traffic's light and your favorite parking spot is right there, right up front. And you walk in the building, and as you're walking in, it's a beautiful day. The sun's out, it's a gorgeous, beautiful day. And you see people that you know. And you have people who wave, who wish you luck, and smile. And it just energizes you as you enter the building. Now as you go inside, you sit down for a moment in the waiting area, and you can just close your eyes and you can practice this meditation that you've been practicing leading up to the interview. You can just close your eyes and you focus on your breath. As you walk into the interview, you shake hands with the person and you smile, and that person is full of great positive energy, and you yourself are full of positive, great energy, and you shake hands, a nice firm handshake, and you smile and you say hello and you introduce yourself. And as you sit down, you feel prepared. You feel excited, but you still feel relaxed because you know what's going to come, and you know the outcome of this, and you feel excited to tell your stories that you prepared for leading up to the interview. And the interviewer asks you questions. You are prepared and you have an answer and a story for each and every question that they have for you, and you're excited to tell these stories. As the interview goes on, you're able to tell all of the wonderful stories that you've prepared for and practiced, and they just roll off, and you can tell the person is engaging and they're asking great follow-up questions, which helps spark even more conversation, and some great in-depth conversation happens that you're able to talk about you and who you are as a person, and what work you've done, and all the stories and all the great things you did. And as the interview starts to wind out, you realize that you've been able to tell every one of your great stories, and you've done so feeling relaxed and energized. And then at the end of the interview, you can ask some great questions. You feel like you've really gotten to know this person, and you ask them some really good questions that will help you in your career to be a better nurse. You ask some really good questions of the organization and their career, and you're able to glean some information from them, and the conversation just gets richer and deeper. And again, you feel energized and relaxed at the same time. And as you walk out of the interview, you realize you've told every single one of your stories that you wanted to tell, that every question you had an answer for because you were prepared. And you just feel relaxed and excited and energized, and you realize that you got to be the best version of yourself in that interview. You've got to tell all the stories that you wanted to tell, and the interview is exactly how you had hoped it would go. You were able to be your authentic self during the interview. As you get back in the car, you just close your eyes and you take 3 more great, big, deep breaths. Ready? You in through the nose. Just focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath. It's the one thing you have control over. When sometimes in life you don't feel like you have control, you can just focus on your breath and relax yourself. As you open your eyes, you realize as you're driving back that it was an amazing interview, and you're just excited to wait for that phone call where they offer you the job. So I want to take this time to tell you, I know that nursing school is incredibly hard. It was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. And at times it kicks you down a little bit. There's times when you make mistakes and you feel bad, you feel shamed, you feel vulnerable. And I'm just here to tell you that on the other side of that, though, is your authentic self, and it's going to be great, right? You're going to get the job that you want, and once you get into that role, you're going to grow and learn from other amazing nurses, and it's going to be an awesome path for you. So I know at this point it feels nervous, and you feel some anxiety, that you may feel trepidation about the future, but use this meditation to help you prepare for the interview, to really practice this just like you would any other skill. Practice this meditation once a day to be able to take your anxiety level down, to be able to focus on your breath, be able to calm yourself down in any situation, but especially the day of the interview. So good luck.